Today is March 7th, 2025, an important day because the H-1B registration period starts today and ends on March 24th. If you want to learn more about the H-1B visa, listen in to the rest of this video, and I will let you know how you can get your H-1B visa. The H-1B visa process starts with registration into the lottery system that has been created by the government. There are 65,000 H-1B visas available to individuals with bachelor degrees or higher in American universities or those equivalent to American university degrees in foreign countries. The first step being the lottery starts March 4th. Your attorney or you has to have a USCIS account number and has to register yourself into the lottery. Now, there is no special selection within the lottery. It is by luck of the draw. So you may get it or you may not get it. And if you get the good news that you do get it, at that point in time, the second phase of the process begins. And that's the labor certification, where your employer has to file paperwork to be certified as a corporation in the United States that needs to hire foreign workers because they cannot find skilled US workers. Once your corporation gets that labor certification, they then file a petition of employment for you. The employer has to file Petition I-129. In that petition, they are indicating to the government that they are sponsoring you, the foreign worker with the bachelor's degree or degree of higher status that you obtained in an American university or an equivalent foreign university. In this petition, they have to supplement it with documentation that shows that normally for the role that they are hiring, they always hire individuals with your type of degree. And to support evidence that you have that type of degree, you have to present your degree plus your transcript, which includes a detailed list of all the classes that you took that got you to get the degree in the field in which you're going to work for this employer. In addition, you need to get some affidavits from experts in the field that state that you, in fact, can work in this role because you have the sufficient knowledge which you gained during your tenure as a student and taking the classes that were listed out in your degree. In addition to that, they have to show the salary that they're going to pay you, that it's equivalent to the salary that they got in the perm labor certification. And they also have to show that you're going to perform, that they are actually the specific job duties that are in the role that they got approved from the Department of Labor when they got their labor certification granted. Once the I-129 is submitted, it can be submitted via premium processing or regular processing. You have to wait for the USCIS to respond and deny or approve the I-129. Normally, it will be approved unless there has been some history of you, the employee, of having criminal convictions or having overstayed unlawfully in the US or having had a denied visa beforehand. Once you get that approval, then you will get the H-1B visa and you can start working in October of 2025. It will give you an opportunity to work here on a visa that can be extended. You will get the ability to work on this H-1B visa for a period of 3 years, and you can extend this visa, but make sure that your employer keeps records of you and your work and what you're doing so that when you need to extend this visa, it's going to be easier than the first time around. Please, if you want to get the H-1B visa, don't wait until the last minute. Don't wait till March 23rd to call your lawyer to register for you. It's important that you do this now so that you can have better chances of getting in the lottery correctly because mistakes can be made, but mistakes can't be rectified if they're filed at the last minute. So we here at the Immigration Legal Center, we do handle H-1B visas. I love to do that because I love learning about all of the new companies that are hiring new, fresh employees out of college. And I love helping companies grow. So contact me if you want to get your H-1B visa done. We are here to serve.